to the channel. I'm Rochelle, this is Brampton Gardener, and we are going to be potting up our petunias. Smell good? Yeah. Now, actually, I have absolutely no idea how many petunias I have. Okay, Dex, you gotta go. You guys sit. I gotta let go of you. There we go. So I did 4. Did I do 4 or? Oh, I did 3.5. Did I do 3.5 or did I do 4? Let's see. I absolutely love growing petunias. I love having them in my flower beds and my planters. The cost of them has really gone up. So the first year when we redid our whole backyard, this is going back, it must have been 2006, I think. And we dug out like the big sections. Before it was just all grass. And we dug out the big sections, and we just, we spent so much time and money on that and getting in all the compost and all of that we didn't have a lot of money to spend on the shrubs and stuff like that at the time. So we were like, you know what, we'll wait till the fall when things kind of start to go on sale. And to fill in this space, we went, and it was, I think, Father's Day or the day after Father's Day, and we went to the local greenhouse, and they had all of their flats of petunias on sale for $10. And so we bought 6 flats of petunias, and we came home and we filled them in, and it was the most spectacular backyard. There was nothing else. It was basically just petunias, and they filled in so nicely, and they had so much color. And so they've always had a very special place in my heart, because it was like the first really big gardening planting that we had done here. And going back, I mean, that's $60 for the whole year. That's not bad. But now they're like $18 to $20 a flat of petunias, and that adds up. And I like to use a lot of them in the landscape. And so due to soil blocking and these tiny little soil blocks on this tray here, I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40. So 140 soil blocks on this tray. So I can start 140 seeds from 140 petunias from seed. And so that is going to save me a ton of money in the long run. And the seeds are so super tiny that I probably overseeded. So some soil blocks might have 5 and some might not have any. So I have absolutely no idea how many I'm going to have. I hope they fit into this tray. There's no way they're going to fit in this tray though. I have this other tray here too, and then I can finish off the tray that I had the petunias on and start potting them up. So we're starting off with these ones that say Pretty Purple. Oh, I'm going to do the tape on these ones. Yeah. Where's my tape? Okay. It's not the easiest finding the tape with gloves on. Okay. Oh, and who knew tape could be scary? Okay. Well, it is what it is. Okay, so these are the Pretty Purple. And I will write down how many I have of each variety as we go. So I have Pretty Purple, I have pink, then I have regular purple. I have a tickled pink climbing petunia. I have yellow and pink, photo finish, lime bicolor. What the heck does that say? Oh, and then the burgundy something. Can't read it. Okay. So, one little tiny petunia, one little petunia, two petunia. See, there's a 2Z. Gotta separate them. There will be no culling. There will be no culling of seedlings. They will each get their own home. I am not a monster. Lots of the purple, so I might wait and do those on the other side and go in here with the burgundy. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 of that. So I have 16. Okay. 16 of the bicolor. And then I have photo finish and yellow pink. I still have more, and I don't know if that tray is going to be enough, so we'll see. We will see. Otherwise, they're going to go in with the tomatoes. So I think we're going to just do purple on these. We're going to just go all purple and see how far we go. This tray that I had the tomatoes on, and I'm just coming in and potting up my coleus. The rest of the items in here are the snapdragons and the yarrow, and those are actually cool flowers, so I will be planting those out. It's gonna be a couple weeks though, I think, because we are just like dropping back down again, and we're gonna like be below freezing. We have nights coming up that are like 26, 27, so which as plants they would be fine like in the winter when that happens. Like I have them over winter, but I don't want to put my seedlings at that close. Okay, so they're just going to sit in here. I also have some seeds I just started, some Dusty Millers here, and then I have the snapdragons, which I did have to give a prune on, and the yarrow, and they'll be just fine outside in a couple weeks. So they can stay in here. They're not going to outgrow this pot too soon. And I got the last 2 varieties onto this tray with the petunias, and I mean the tomatoes, and it ended up being the exact amount, which is kind of crazy. So I have the tickled pink climbing petunias here, I have the yellow pink petunias there, and then those were the strawberry mint that I popped in earlier. So these are looking really sad right now. I'm going to get them all upstairs. We're going to get them watered in, and I'll show you how they look in a few days once they perk back up. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Rochelle. This is Brampton Gardener, and Dax, what are you doing? Don't jump up. No, you can't come up. Okay. You want to be here for the intro? All right. Okay. Well, you were here when I started them. I guess you should be here when we pot them up. Okay. Where's our foot? There we go. Ready? Okay, so welcome back. So I think I'm going to put this tray back inside for now because these tomatoes are looking sad. And so I'm going to put this tray back inside. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to So thank you.